Are you still trusting the system to keep you hydrated? Listen to that. That is the sound of the 21st century breaking its promise. We've been conditioned to believe that utility is a human right. We flip a switch, the lights hum. We turn a tap, the water flows, already done. But 2026 is a masterclass in fragility. Last time, we made biogas from garbage, and it worked. This time, we pulled drinking water straight from air. 72 hours without it, you're gone. In a grid-down American summer, you are a memory in 72 hours. Your kidneys shut down, your brain fogs over, and you realize too late that you spent your life paying for subscriptions instead of paying attention to the physics of survival. Right now, thousands of gallons of pure H2O are floating past your face as vapor. You just haven't been taught how to squeeze it yet. Welcome to the Phantom Panther. This isn't a DIY hobby, it's an insurance policy written in aluminum and sweat. Let's get to work. The intellectual depth, history and formula. This technology isn't new, it's 2,000 years old. Ancient Persians mastered desert survival using massive stone towers and temperature differentials long before electricity or Amazon existed. They understood one brutal truth that modern Americans have completely forgotten. Survival is a game of temperature differentials. We've just taken their massive stone towers and shrunk the entire concept into a module that fits in a backpack. The Lorentz formula. The secret to squeezing water from the air is hidden in this simple math. TD equals T minus 100 minus relative humidity divided by 5. That dew point is the exact moment air is forced to surrender its water. If your cold surface isn't hitting sub 40 degree F, you're not harvesting water. You're burning battery on a science experiment. We aren't just cooling air, we are freezing the moisture out of it. The tactical requisition. Before we squeeze the air, you need the right hardware. Don't scavenge junk, get these specific components for the build. The core, Peltier cooler. The core, a TEC 1-12706 thermoelectric cooler. This is your engine. The muscle. High static pressure industrial fans, not cheap PC fans. The spine, dual tower aluminum heat sinks. Surface area is life. The brain, a 12V10A power supply or a portable solar generator. The plumbing, food-grade silicone tubing and a 15-degree mounting bracket. The critical mistakes. Now, stay with me. This is where every other build video fails you. They use fans that push air like a ceiling fan in a lobby. You need blades that force humid air through dense fins like a freight train. No pressure means no condensation. No condensation means no water. Before you buy any fan, open the spec sheet. You're looking for two numbers only. First, 45 CFM minimum airflow. Second, 2.5 mm H2O static pressure minimum. Here's how you test it in the store. Hold a piece of paper 6 inches from the fan. If it barely moves, walk away. You need that paper to snap flat and stay there. That's freight train pressure. That's water pressure we need. Once your fan is locked in, grab a $3 tube of thermal paste. Apply a thin layer between your Peltier chip and heatsink. Like butter on toast. Thin, even, every millimeter matters. No paste means 40% heat buildup. 40% heat buildup means your machine makes heat, not water. A $3 tube of paste is the difference between a working machine and an expensive paperweight. And the tilt. The 15-degree tilt I promised you. Without this angle, gravity can't move the water off the fins fast enough. It pools. It freezes. It turns your heatsink into a beautiful, useless block of ice. 15 degrees. Don't forget it ever. The build begins. Step 1. Take your entire unit, fan, heatsink, and Peltier, all connected together. This is your atmospheric siphon, this is your water machine. Step 2. Place Peltier chip cold side up, heatsink facing down, bolt industrial fan on top. Cold side up, always. Wrong way, zero water ever. Step 3. Find a wedge or small bracket, wood piece also works, place under back end. Front end lower. Back end high. Gravity is your free worker. Step 4. Open phone level app, measure 15 degrees exactly, free. Accurate. No excuses. 14 degrees. Not enough. 16 degrees. Too much. 15 exactly, 15 degree you need. Step 5. Lock it in place, bolt it. It must not move while running. One vibration. One shift, water stops. Machine fails. Step 6. Connect 12V power supply. Red wire equals positive, black wire equals negative. Switch it on. Green light equals you're in business. Step 7. Wait 20 to 30 minutes. Cold side drops to -10 degrees Celsius. Don't touch. Let it work. Patience is the only tool you need right now. Step 8. First water drops appear 20 to 45 minutes. Trust the physics. That drop, that's not water, that's freedom. Stop. Before you drink a single drop, listen. Atmospheric water pulls pollutants and bacteria from the air. You do not drink it straight, not even one sip. Run it through the Panther stack. Ion exchange, neutralize the pH. Activated carbon, remove chemicals. Remineralization, restore minerals. UVC kill switch, shatter bacterial DNA. Skip one and you traded a water bill for a hospital bill. Now it's clean. Now you drink. The atmospheric siphon. It's not pretty, but it produces the one thing more valuable than gold when the grid goes dark: certainty. Most people will wait for a truck that's never coming. You have the physics. You have the formula. Now build your own infinite water. Subscribe. Join the Phantom Panther. Stay hydrated. I'll see you in the shadow.